How's it going, guys? Tonight it's going to be a really easy one. Going to be replacing this taillight. It's super simple. Hope you guys like it. First, going to open up the hatch. Inside, you're going to see this panel here. Take that off. And then reach your hand in there and you're going to feel the light. You're just going to turn it to the left slightly. And then pull it out. There it is. It's kind of hard to see in there, but you can see the filament sitting in the bottom. It also has a darker color, so we know this one's burned out. We've got our replacement here. I got the Silverstar 7443. This is for the brake and tail light. Now, since they come in packs of 2, it's always good practice to replace both of them. We're going to stick that in there, reinstall it. Now that tail light's been replaced. Take your cover, line it up with the holes, put it back in. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Now, as you can see, we've got both lights working, and now we're safe on the road. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.